What's up, fellow adventurers? Are you ready to ditch the crowds and conquer the wilderness? Backpacking is calling, but let's face it, your first trip can feel a bit daunting. Fear not, future thru-hikers. I'm your guide, and today, we're dropping the 5 must-have backpacking hacks that will turn you from newbie to ninja on the trail. Hit that like button if you're ready to level up your backpacking game, and let's dive in. Hack number 1, pack like a pro, the clothing conundrum. We all know the struggle, overpacking and feeling like a human pack mule. Here's the secret. Ditch the bulky cotton. Cotton holds on to sweat, making you miserable. Instead, layer up with lightweight, breathable synthetics or merino wool. They'll keep you dry and comfy no matter the weather. This bad boy is your new best friend. Trust me. Pro tip, pack multifunctional clothes. Hiking pants that convert into shorts? Genius. One garment, endless possibilities. Hack number 2, sleep like a bear, but hopefully less snoring. Let's talk sleep. You're going to be tired after a day of conquering mountains or gentle hills. No judgment here. A good sleeping bag is crucial, but there's a hack most beginners miss: the sleeping pad. The ground can steal your body heat faster than a rogue squirrel snatches your granola bar. Invest in a good sleeping pad and you'll thank yourself later. Sweet dreams are just a good night's rest away. Hack number 3, feast like a king without the royal kitchen staff. Backpacking food doesn't have to be boring. Forget the sad ramen noodles. Dehydrated meals have come a long way, my friends. There are options for every taste bud, from gourmet curries to hearty stews. This little guy might not look pretty, but trust me, it tastes amazing. Pro tip, pre-portion your meals into snack bags for easy access on the trail. No more digging through your pack like a hungry raccoon. Hack number 4, master the art of the lightweight pack. Every ounce counts when you're backpacking. Here's a hack for shaving serious weight. Ditch the single-use toiletries. Invest in refillable travel containers and fill them with your favorite shampoo, conditioner, and sunscreen. The planet and your back will thank you. Bonus hack, speaking of weight, wear your hiking boots on the trail instead of packing them. It's a small thing, but it adds up. Hack number 5, leave no trace. Be a friend to the wild. The outdoors is our playground, but it's important to tread lightly. Leave no trace principles are essential for every backpacker. Pack out all your trash, minimize your campfire impact, and be respectful of wildlife. Let's leave the wilderness pristine for future adventurers. I want to thank you all for subscribing, and if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and smash that like button. There you have it, folks! The 5 must-have backpacking hacks for beginners. Now you're ready to hit the trail with confidence. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to leave a comment telling me what backpacking trip you're planning. Tight lines and happy trails.